I believe cities benefit a great deal from these kind of protocols because they develop a common language which can help them in making their policies, a common language for the leadership of the cities, common language for learning what are the cities missing, how they can overcome some of the challenges, and this is something, a platform for a collaboration among the cities, and that's one of the key benefits of city protocol I see. And it's not necessarily just one-sided cities. It in fact benefits from developing cities to developed cities, cities in transition, and that's where I see there's going to be greater benefit for everyone, more importantly for the citizens of the cities. I think one of the key messages we can all take, and this is for all stakeholders, may it be private companies, may it be public companies, may it be the governments as an organization, to say the challenge faces to manage our cities and develop our cities is more of how do we look at sustainable, integrated sustainable models. And in those models, it's not a responsibility of only the governments. I think in today's world, we have to understand that city belongs to everyone. And cities are not dictated by just the government. And in doing so, everyone has to contribute about the city's future right from the beginning. We start the journey where we are, and it's going to be a journey of equity. Everyone has to participate for the greater good, and I don't think cities in today's time are no different that it only belongs to the governments are going to make the decisions, or private sector is going to impose certain commercial values. It's not like that. I think it's becoming more transparent. I believe the cities are benefiting from this partnership, and hopefully this journey would go further if we have a common language, if we have some kind of an integrated platform where we understand each other better. So it's basically refining the communication platform for the cities as well. It has got its commercial value, it has got its business values, but the important message for the private sector, it has got a great community and social responsibility value where they can benefit hugely from this protocol. I think it's a great platform the way it started today. It started with a very common dialogue. It started with not imposing too much and telling that this is what this city protocol is about. It in fact gave an opportunity for every participant to present their view, to actually put forth what are the key real challenges, may it be from the cities, may it be from organizations, may it from companies, what are the key challenges for them, and the way things are going so far. I think so we have collected all this information and presenting it, that it is a common work. It is a work where we all have to participate, and in participating process, I believe this workshop has done very well, where everyone has a chance to say things, everyone has a chance to put their opinions. I'm very glad to see everything is not just getting accepted because the experts are saying so. People are arguing, people are putting their views far more strongly, and I think this dialogue is very important. And the most important thing I find as a host city, Barcelona, it presents a greater reference model for the rest of for the other cities. More importantly, I work very closely with Indian cities. There's a greater learning for cities in transition and the developing cities from this city to come and see how everything is integrated and still works very efficiently. I also think criticism is very important, which this workshop has actually accepted it very nicely, and people are putting forth, which will only make us stronger in the long run, that will address those issues at this stage and work upon improving this.